Taboola Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to Taboola are in the description. Taboola is a leading native advertising platform designed for brands, publishers, and marketers looking to drive traffic, engagement, and conversions through content recommendations. It powers the recommended for you and around the web sections on major websites, helping advertisers place their content in front of millions of potential customers in a non-intrusive way. Unlike traditional display ads, Taboola's native ads blend seamlessly with website content, leading to higher engagement and better performance. One of Taboola's standout features is its AI-driven content discovery system. The platform uses machine learning to analyze user behavior and deliver personalized recommendations, ensuring that ads are shown to the right audience at the right time. This makes it particularly effective for businesses focused on content marketing, lead generation, and e-commerce sales. Taboola also supports a variety of ad formats, including article promotions, video ads, and product listings, giving advertisers flexibility in their campaigns. The platform provides a user-friendly dashboard with real-time analytics, allowing advertisers to track key metrics such as impressions, click-through rates, CTR, conversions, and cost per acquisition, CPA. It also offers targeting options, including audience segmentation, contextual targeting, geolocation, and device-based targeting, ensuring businesses can refine their campaigns for maximum ROI. Additionally, Taboola integrates with major advertising platforms like Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel, helping users optimize their marketing strategies. Taboola operates on a cost-per-click (CPC) model, allowing advertisers to control their budget and bid competitively for ad placements. While it's highly effective for content-driven campaigns, businesses should focus on crafting engaging, high-quality creatives to get the best results. Its traffic quality varies based on publisher networks, so ongoing campaign monitoring and optimization are essential. If you're looking to expand your reach beyond social media and search ads, Taboola is an excellent choice for driving quality traffic through native advertising. It's best suited for businesses looking to scale content marketing and performance-driven campaigns. Check the links in the description to explore Taboola and see how it can enhance your marketing strategy.